What's good, you guys? Continuing the kitchen poems, yummy delicacies. Today we are making Punjabi Chole Masala. Cooking this is a two-part process. The part 1 is to soak this high-protein chickpeas or chole overnight to get bigger and softer chickpeas like this. The quantity you double up from the initial set which we have taken. Here I have taken 300 grams of chole initially. Take a small cloth similar to this. It can be even a handkerchief in your house. At the center, put 3 tablespoons of tea powder. The purpose of the tea powder is to increase the darker color to the chole. Other ingredients taken here are from 12 o'clock in the clockwise direction, 2 bay leaves, very little cardamom, 5 to 6 clove, 5 to 6 black pepper seeds, and a cinnamon stick. After taking all of them, wrap it up tightly like this. So tight that the ingredients inside should not come out while boiling. Now, boil the soaked chole and the cloth pouch in a pressure cooker in the lowest flame for half an hour. After boiling, you will have brown softer chickpeas like this. Take 3 large onions and 2 tomatoes and little garlic. Cut those onions and tomatoes and make puree separately like this. Peel almost 10 garlic pearls and cut chilies in lengthwise like this. The quantity of the chilies can be based on your taste buds. Here I've taken 5 green chilies. On a pan, take 1 tablespoon of all these ingredients. The ingredients here are: the first yellow one is methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. A little top left from there is cumin seeds. Topmost one is garam seeds or ajwain. And the last one is fennel seeds or somp. Fry it on a medium flame for 5 minutes to have brown mixture. Then transfer it in a bowl fully. Crush them in hand till it becomes powder, like this. Along with this, from 12 o'clock in clockwise direction, 1 tablespoon of Garam masala, 1½ tablespoons of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of Chole masala. If you do not have it, you can increase the quantity of Garam masala. And salt according to your taste buds. Cumin powder, 1½ tablespoons of coriander powder. Now let's begin with a pan on a flame. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once you feel the oil is heated enough, you can add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and onion puree which you have made. Saute this for 5 to 6 minutes till the raw flavor of the onion goes out. After that, add tomato puree which you have made. This should stay for another 5 minutes till the water inside the tomatoes go out. To speed up the process, you can add a little salt to it. After some time, transfer those spice powders which you have taken in the plate. Let these spices get cooked in the low flame for 5 minutes. And now, transfer all the boiled chole along with the water which was boiled with it. This gives intense flavor and color to the dish. Boil it till chole becomes thicker like this. In a separate pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated enough, add those peeled garlic pearls and chilies. After frying a little, add the hand-crushed mixture which you have made before, along with some chili powder. After 2 minutes, you can transfer this to our dish. Give it a good stir and turn off the flame and set it aside for 1 hour. As the time passes, the chole becomes darker and darker. After this, Kitchen Poem's Punjabi Pindi Chole is ready.